Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to speed up your computer. It's running Windows 11. This tutorial will work for Windows 7 and Windows 8 or Windows 10 computer. So if your computer desktop running Windows is experiencing problems such as a slow boot up, you are having issues with the screen filtering and response view applications, the computer has blank screen, boot loops, lots of error message. Well, hopefully resolve that, guys. First thing I recommend to do, right click on desktop taskbar and go to task manager and go to startup apps. If you not using any apps longer, right click the app and disable it. If you not using any apps, you don't want it be starting apps, right click on it and disable it. The next step, you need to go to install the apps, open it. Some computer they are having apps and features. I'm using Windows 11 Pro, that's why I'm not getting apps and features. I'm getting installed apps. Go here if you want it using longer apps, uninstall the app you don't using it, like three dots here, click on it and uninstall it, and that will get performance good. And go to search menu, type here performance in Windows, performance of Windows, click open it, and you want to adjust for the best performance, click it and apply and OK. Now it will be a pretty speed up, guys. Now the next thing, you want to go to control panel, open it, here large icons, and go to power options and go click here, hide additional plans, click on here. I'm having high performance already, flavor performance, but you may use more energy. You need to click here, show additional plans, you'll be there, guys. I'm already enabled, that's why I'm using it, and close out of here. And the next thing, you want to search disk cleanup, open it. You want to clean up system files, this cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free on when your main disk anything. I have a C and delete file, click OK, and it all automatically deleted. Next thing, you want to go to CMD, run as administrator, click yes. Now here you want to type sfc space slash scan and mow, press enter, guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this percentage need to be 100%, need to complete it, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you, guys.